We're on a race to get to the sunset. We do this just for you guys. So we are in downtown Clearwater here, beautiful city, and we're gonna go over the bridge to the beach, but there was an accident over the bridge and there was this long delay. So we just stopped here in town to go to a Starbucks and have a little coffee break.
Plus we need a bathroom break.
Yeah, that too. And then we're gonna go up over the bridge and check that out, and just be some beautiful scenery up over there and over at the beach. Hello.
Drink and snack and bathroom break, and then we'll continue on.
And Riley, he can be here since it's outside. Right, Riley? Yeah, look at this little walkway. Cleveland Street Gaslight Alley. We have all the gas lights back in here. It's kind of cute. I bet it's neat at night with it lit up. Wow, there she is.
Come here. Come here. Good girl. Come. Good girl. Yeah.
Clearwater Beach right now. It is, I think it's like 5:30 in the evening, and we tried to come over earlier today, but there was an accident and we're still stuck in traffic, so I don't know why. But anyway, it's very pretty. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a real pretty view.
We're on a race to get to the sunset. We do this just for you guys. I'm actually hoping to get the drone up. I don't know. Earlier it was a restricted zone because of the Toronto Blue Jays Philadelphia spring training game, but now they've lifted that. I may be able to sneak one up here on the beach and get some great video. Look at this beautiful sunset. Love to get out by that dock. Let's see if we can do it before sunset. It's a race against the clock. Lori and Riley are following me. They're kind of going a little slower. She told me to go on ahead so we don't miss the sunset. What a beautiful beach though, look. Well, mission accomplished. I was able to get some cool drone footage. I'll show you that right now. We got Riley another walk today.
Get that background.
Yeah. Wow, what a background, huh?
Pretty.
A beautiful place. Yeah.
Yeah. Very crowded here though tonight.
So we've got to pack up and do what tomorrow?
Go home.
Go home.
Boo-hoo.
Yep. So we'll be heading back to Savannah in one shot, and then the next day we're going to head back to Raleigh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to stay.
We're going to see more of our adventures. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, whatever you feel like doing.
And if you like our videos, click that bell, and then you'll get notified whenever we make another video or get one out. And if you guys have been in the Clearwater and surrounding areas, make a comment and let us know where you stayed and what you did while you were here.
Yep.
Just know you're not alone. I'm gonna make this place your own. Until then, it'll all be clear. Don't pay no mind to that email to feel.